Alright guys, today is July 13th. Probably by the time you guys see this video, it'll be sometime in August or September. Who knows at the rate I'm uploading videos. But, just so you guys know, the Galant is retuned, has bigger injectors now, 2250 FICs I think, more boost, more redline. It's in kill mode. Gonna go race a group of guys tomorrow. So by the time you guys see this video, all that'll be over and done with. But you guys will, the next video will be the races. Hold on. And today I have to replace the axles. That driver's side axle has a cut boot and I don't feel like getting grease everywhere. So here it is. Hopefully I don't have to remove the entire axle and I could just remove it from here. I forget what you call it. I guess the half shaft on these guys. So hopefully I can get it off and slide this guy on. I also need to toss in these spark plugs. I have the BRP6ES, I think it is. So I need to put the 7s in there. 6s are stock, and I was told to put in 7, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna jack the car up, hopefully not have any issues pulling that axle off, and slide in the new axle, and get her going. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this, jack the car up, remove the axle nut, and go from there. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to remove your driver's side axle. And just know, the Galant's retuned, it's making more power, and I can't wait for you guys to see the next video. It just kind of sucks that you guys won't be seeing this video for a long time. But that's alright. You guys will see the massacre come tomorrow of everyone that I beat with this car, hopefully. Getting a little bit cloudy. Hopefully I beat the rain, but that's a 32 millimeter socket. I'm going to remove these 2 bolts, then I should be able to swivel the wheel assembly hub, if that's what you want to call it, out of the way and pop the axle out. So gotta keep rolling, but I gotta pop these guys off next. Okay guys, I'm using a big flathead, and right where it slips on, you got to tap it. Use some force behind it. And there it goes. Alright, hopefully these are the same axles. This one has this little ring gear, I guess. Maybe, I don't know exactly for what, but I don't need it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to knock this off. And see how it looks. Because I do think I got to knock that off. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. Alright, popped it off. Pretty sure there's no need for this guy. Probably like ABS ring gear. I don't know, speed, can't be a speed sensor. I don't know. You guys tell me. What was this for? This is the VR4 axle. But just so I can show you guys where that leak was right here. Now let's go ahead and slide on the new axle and make sure this car is 100% ready to go for tonight. Alright, did those two bolts in the back. I used my hydraulic jack to jack this up a little bit so I could line up those bolts. Zip tied these brake lines up here. Hopefully that holds. I hope so. And now I'm going to get my torque wrench and torque this down to, I don't know, I think it goes up to like 150, 180 foot-pounds. But I yanked the crap out of it, so it probably goes beyond that. So I'm going to go grab that real quick. Alright guys, the wheel is back on, everything's torqued. That's how simple it is for you to change your driver's side axle. I'm in a little bit of a time crunch to beat this weather before it starts raining and catch a few hours of sleep before I head out racing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the spark plugs real quick. So don't forget guys, like, subscribe, share the video. Next video will be the Galant races, hopefully, if we don't get rained out tonight. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys did like this video. It's super simple to change your driver's side axle. Get the tools, do it yourself, and that's about it, guys. So thank you. Like I said, like, subscribe, share the video. Next video you guys will see is the Galant giving the gap out, or getting gapped, but we'll see. Thanks, guys.